Good day, class. I wish a beautiful day to all of you. Let's begin our English online class. Students, today we are going to start our topic. We are going to proceed forward in our topic active and passive voice. And today is the turn of exercise number 19.1 given in your book of Brevia at page number 113. We have read that in simple present tense, when we are having active voice, we have subject plus first form of the verb plus s and es plus object. And in order to convert it into passive voice, what do? The object will take the place of subject and subject will take the place of object. First we will add here object plus first form of the verb will be changed into is, am and are, depends upon the object that will take the place of subject, plus third form of the verb will be applied, plus by, plus this subject will come here and takes the place of object. We have done this. Now it's turn of exercise. So here we are with exercise. Convert the following sentences into passive voice. First is the doctor treats the patient. Doctor treats the patient. Doctor patients को treat करता है, उनका इलाज करता है. Now we know that this is object and this is subject. Now they will get interchanged. The object will become the subject. The patients, we will write the patients. The patients. Now we see the patients are plural in number. So what do? Is, am or are? We will go with are. The patients are third form of the verb treated. After are, what do? We will go with third form of the verb. The patients are treated by whom? किसके द्वारा? By the doctor. By the doctor. Our next sentence is the Indians love spicy food. Now this spicy food will come at the first place to do the work of subject. Spicy food. Spicy food is, now spicy food is a whole thing. Spicy food is loved by the Indians. Spicy food is loved by the Indians. If we convert it into Hindi, भारतीय स्पाइसी फूड को पसंद करते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं. दे लव इट. स्पाइसी फूड इंडियंस के द्वारा पसंद किया जाता है. स्पाइसी फूड इज लव्ड बाय द इंडियंस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट इज मदर नेचर प्रोवाइड्स ऑल बेसिक नीड्स. नाउ in order to make passive of its all basic needs are provided by mother nature. By mother nature. Full stop. Next is we like cricket matches. We like cricket matches. So cricket matches plural, we are taking the subject plural. Cricket matches are liked by us. Now we will be changed into us. We have already read about it. Cricket matches are liked by us. Next is our teacher doesn't scold us. Our teacher doesn't scold us. Now this us is the subject object here. Now it will become the subject. We. Now we is the plural pronoun. So is am or are? We will use are. We are not स्कॉल्डेड. स्कॉल्डेड होता है किसी को डांटना, किसी को झिड़कना. वी आर नॉट स्कॉल्डेड बाय हुम? बाय अवर टीचर. बाय अवर टीचर. वी आर नॉट स्कॉल्डेड बाय अवर टीचर. इज इट ओके स्टूडेंट्स? अवर टीचर डजंट स्कॉल्ड अस. हमारी टीचर हमें नहीं डांटती है. हम अपनी टीचर के द्वारा नहीं डांटे जाते हैं. बाय मीन्स होता है बेटा के द्वारा. इज इट ओके? मैनी पीपल डोंट यूज डस्टबीन्स. मैनी पीपल डोंट यूज डस्टबीन्स. सो डस्टबिन will become the subject here. Dustbins are not used. Dustbins are not used by many people. I hope you are enjoying to do the active and passive voices. Let's proceed further. The tailor makes beautiful clothes. Now what do we do? Beautiful clothes. Beautiful clothes are. Now third form of the verb make, made, made, are made by the tailor. Beautiful clothes are made by the tailor. Full stop. Babita Nehra plays hockey. Hockey is third form play, played, played. Hockey is played by Babita Nehra. बबीता नेहरा हॉकी खेलती है. हॉकी बबीता नेहरा के द्वारा खेली जाती है. द कैप्टन लीड्स द ग्रुप. द group is led by led. The group is led by the captain. The group is led by the captain. Full stop. Last is this train transports 1,000 passengers. Now 1,000 passengers. 1,000 passengers are 1,000 passengers are transported by. Now this train है, then we will go with the same. By this train. By this train. Full stop. I hope class that this interesting exercise related to active and passive voice is quite clear to you. Just remember that subject will become object and object will become subject, and at the place of first form of the verb we will add is am, are plus third form of the verb. take revision of the exercise by your own and try to do it. Keep on practicing class. Thank you. Good.